Hey guys, so today I'll be showing y'all how I achieved this red color on this wig from JULIAHAIR. When you make a purchase for this wig, it comes with a wig cap and a silk wrap so you can tie down your hair at night. And also, if you was wondering for the link for the hair, it will be down below in my description box, so make sure you check that out. So this 613 hair does come pre-plucked, and it's also a 13x6 frontal with dark roots of 26 inches. The hair also had minimum to no shedding when I installed it and wore it, and the hair also came super soft, and the lace was thin and it melted like scalp. When I tell y'all it melted like it was in my head, like I'm telling you, like this hair was bomb. Like I will most definitely be buying again. I was a little bit skeptical about dyeing this type of hair because I've never worn 613 hair with dark or brown roots, but at the end it turned it out to be bomb. Like I'm gonna insert some videos of like how it looked because I didn't record me installing the hair, unfortunately. If you guys want to see that, like, you can comment down below, and basically I'll do a video on that. So same thing as like any other 613 hair that you're about to dye. You're gonna just take the dye, pour it in the thing. We're gonna do the water method, and yeah, so you just want to make sure that everything is evenly distributed within the water, and then you want to proceed with putting your hair in. So I already started taking out the pin curls in the back, and I combed it out, and then there you go. Body. I know y'all see that. Straight body. I love that part. Because, like, when you get that perfect swoop in front of your hair, it's just like it makes the whole wig just tie together.